Hi everyone, today I am going to demonstrate a simple experiment in which Arduino and Raspberry Pi will communicate with each other. Here my client will be Arduino, which publishes the data to the Raspberry Pi. At the same way, the Raspberry Pi will publishes the data to the Arduino. Like this, both Arduino and Raspberry Pi will communicate with each other. Here, in order to demonstrate this, I have used a light sensor. Here my MQTT client is Arduino. So the circuit connections are like this as shown below. First, a node MCU is pushed onto the breadboard, and now a light sensor is also pushed onto the breadboard, for which a 3 volts power is given, as well as the second pin is connected to A0 pin, because this the values of the light sensor will be analog values. In order to read the analog values, we need to connect the pin to the A0 pin. And here I am using the LED because I am going to set a threshold value. If the light levels are less than the threshold value, then the LED will turn on. Otherwise, the LED will be in a normal, will be turned off, and the light levels are in a normal state. So in order going forward, this is the code I have written in my Arduino IDE. In this Arduino IDE, first the node MCU should be connected to the Wi-Fi or to the network connection. For this, I have network connection, and then it should publish the data, and then it should subscribe to some topic, and if there is the light levels are below the threshold value, then LED should turn on. So all those scenarios are explained in this code. So once we are ready with the code, just upload the code onto the node MCU board. Once the uploading is done, you can see the circuit. Here the values of open the serial monitor. You can see the node MCU is trying to connect to the Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi is connected and it is trying to get the MQTT connection. Once the connection is established, it read the values. Here the values are like this as shown: 292, 293, 320. So I set my threshold value to 500. Since the value is less than, the obtaining values are less than the threshold value, we can see LED is turned on. So when it is dark, it is the light level is normal, we can see that LED will turn off. Again, if I'll turn on the light, we can see LED is turned on. Now let's see how these values are published to the Raspberry Pi. Here, first make sure that Mosquito Broker and Node-RED are installed on our Raspberry Pi. Here, in order, my Raspberry Pi is subscribed to the topic out topic. In my Arduino, I have named my topic as out topic, and it is publishing the data. And as you can see, the values, the sensor values from the Arduino will be like this. It is deployed here, and also I am sending the values from Pi to the Arduino using this function block. Here in topic is the one where Arduino is subscribed to this topic. So for this topic, for the in topic, the input will be the out topic. The values from the out topic is taken, and with the help of the sensor block, I have modified the code so that only the last line of the code will be displayed. As you can see, these are the values that are published to the Arduino 321, and if you observe in the serial monitor of your Arduino, you can see the both values, what it is publishing, and also the subscribed value 321, 300. So the message from Pi is. So like this, both Raspberry Pi and Arduino will communicate with each other. Thank you.